PS5 how to fix locked games. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix locked games on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix locked games on PS5, just go to the settings option from the top right hand side of the screen. When you go to the settings option from the top right, just go to users and accounts. Now when you go to users and accounts, simply scroll down to the others tab. On the right hand side you can see console sharing and offline play. So first of all, just select this option. If you see enable option over here, make sure to select that. In my case I've already enabled it, that's why now you're seeing the disable option. Now after you've done that, just make sure to come back and just select restore licenses. So when you restore the licenses, all of the games that you had purchased on your previous console will all be restored to this console, and now you can just try to unlock those games as well. And this way you'll be able to fix locked games on PS5. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.